A state court in New York has dismissed a mandate requiring the using of masks in public areas as a COVID-19 precautionary, concluding that the governor stepped over the line in enforcing the stipulation. Judge Thomas Rademaker of New York State Supreme Court on Long Island ruled on Monday the state law the year before limited any governor's right to impose such rulings. For example, a mask mandate during an announced state of emergency. Welcome back to Next News Hour. If you're new to the channel, tap on the subscription button and press the notification bell. It was the newest bump in the road in court for state and federal authorities who have wanted to enforce strict coronavirus measures in the thought of containing the pathogen. The issue over the right of authorities to impose these limits has frequently politicized, with Democrats typically favoring masking and vaccination mandates and Republicans opposing them as a constraint on liberty and democracy. The New York Education Department announced on Tuesday that the state had filed notice that it will appeal the verdict, which may put the regulation in effect at least until its scheduled expiry date of February 1st. Meanwhile, despite the court's judgment, New York State education authorities instructed school officials to continue imposing the state's mask mandate for kids and instructors. Democrat Governor Kathy Hochul said in a statement, "We strongly disagree with this ruling, and we are pursuing every option to reverse this immediately," while adding, "My responsibility as the governor is to protect New Yorkers throughout this public health crisis, and these measures help prevent the spread of COVID-19 and save lives." Attorney General Letitia James said through Twitter that her department will appeal the decision. The U.S. Supreme Court ruled earlier this month that President Joe Biden's vaccine or screening mandate for major corporations was unconstitutional. And in the meantime, a Texas court determined last week that Biden could not order government employees to get vaccinated. Hochul announced a public health emergency nearly immediately after the WHO designated Omicron as a concerning variant on November 26th. Hochul referred to the regulation as temporary when she enforced it on December 31st. She later extended the initial January 15th expiry date till February 1st. Both the New York Attorney General's office and New York's Department of Health announced plans to appeal the ruling. Republican Representative Elise Stefanik lauded the ruling by Judge Thomas Rademaker and said in a statement, "I'm proud the New York Supreme Court overturned this unprecedented overreach of power and will continue to stand up for the freedom of New Yorkers." Well, we'd like to know your thoughts and responses. Share them in the comments down below, and also share this news and show us support through subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for the real stuff on Next News Hour.